Oh gosh, I think this is almost like a full rollover almost though.
Mommy.
I'd say this is a rollover, but she's got belly down. It's just that one arm.
Mommy. Mommy.
Hold on, Colin.
Look, it's raining
This is
too
like
much.
she did. She just rolled over.
Oh, Fiona.
Yay!
Mommy.
Colin, stop! Your sister just rolled over for the first time.
Mommy.
Yay!
Mommy.
Mommy got it on video. Got Colin's and Fiona's very first roll. Hooray! Fiona, can you look at the camera? Say hi, everybody. I just rolled over. Yeah. Yay, Fiona. Good job, baby girl.